Transparency matters. If there's a gap, let's both commit to clear reporting. All right. And again, you want to document this. Again, you want to record this in any way. If it's through a Zoom call and you can record it, great. If it's person to person, your heart's racing as soon as you get done, go get your phone and record yourself saying, I just had a conversation with da-da-da-da-da. They accused me of da-da-da-da-da. I showed them the evidence. Here it is, A, B, C. I'm recording this on this date so that I have evidence to present as this recurs, or if this recurs, or as this becomes a pattern, so that then we can address the pattern. Transparency matters. If there's a gap, let's both commit to clear up reporting. All right, I have a third scenario on projection in the workplace. Again, if you are experiencing projection in your personal life, I feel for you. I want to stay focused, though, on what happens in the workplace. And in the workplace, it's not an easy situation to just walk away and say, I'm not going to deal with this because you're crazy, cannot be allowed in my peace sphere, right? Like, you're crazy is going to stay over there and my peace is going to stay over here. All right. Number 3, reliability question. You're unreliable. I can't count on you. You're unreliable. Yeah, I can't count on you. Again, that's a very accusatory statement. I'm going to be defensive right away. It's just human nature. If you're not defensive, you're a saint, because those are accusatory things, right? They're hurtful things. So employee B says, I've met my commitments consistently. Can we look at the record of deliverables? And that's always good, right? So a record, so that's in a performance plan or not necessarily an improvement plan, but performance goals, right? So within performance goals, you have deliverables. We're going to do this, 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 and this by this, 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 and this. And this is the input that we're going to have. And this is the outcomes that we're going to have, right? That's perfectly reasonable. So that if you're accused of being unreliable, I can't count on you. You can go back and say, no, let's look at those deliverables. Let's look at the evidence that we have. And then you go and you look, right? Here's the last 3 projects I completed on time. Let's discuss what reliability means for this team.